She killed the woman because of a man? I don't know, I find that hard to believe though.
Well, fair enough. But it goes beyond that. This woman stood in her way of attaining the highest level in the medical field.
Highest level? You mean like holding a political office?
Exactly. Someone died on Maxine's watch and she got called up for it. She had to defend herself in court.
She was exonerated.
But blacklisted. And Stephanie spearheaded that protest to keep her out of the major hospitals.
Tiffany, all of this is just speculation. And you're not a lawyer. If you're planning on doing an investigation on this woman, that alone won't hold water.
It actually will. The person that died on her watch died from a natural drug in her system. But guess what? That didn't make it to the report. And since then, at least 3 more persons died from that same natural drug.
You mean one of her natural drugs?
Yep. In the clinical trial that was never approved. I think she may have used that drug on Dad.
What have I done?
Mom, don't beat yourself up. You were trying to save yourself from a power-hungry husband, but you unknowingly delivered him to the devil.
It's like this nightmare. It's like this nightmare just won't go away.
This is why she has to be brought to justice, Mom. Dad is already paying for what he has done. You will have to live with what you have done. So she has to pay for what she has done.
Listen, Tiffany, I know I'm going to have to deal with my consequences of my actions. But I just don't want to lose you.
No.
And if this woman finds out that you're doing any form of investigation on her, you're going to be a target, Tiffany.
Mom, I've got this. She's been off the island for 3 months trying to get approval for the drug. And based on what I'm seeing in my research, she'll be off for another 2 months. So guess what? I'm just gonna make use of that window to get all the information I need to take her down.
A local government election is coming up, and she has to be here for that.
Mom, somebody has to stand up to this woman. She has done too much. I promise you that I'll be careful, but I won't back off.
You're not going to back down from this, don't. Let me see it in your eyes. True Wallace.
Hello, Michelle. Michelle, you know how serious this is?
I do, Carlton. But what is done is done. I can't go back now.